Okay, so let me show you how to customize a OneDrop graphic or photo to your brand. So when you jump into our library, you'll notice we have almost 20,000 items in here. So when you're scrolling through the library, you will see graphics that maybe they have incredible content in them, but maybe this top header part is not quite your brand or not on brand for you. You want to customize it a little bit more. So what you're going to come in here and do is you have to have a OneDrop subscription. You're going to download this item, and I'm just going to give you an example. But when you download this item, it will pop up for you, and then you're going to go into canva.com. This is actually free for any just standard user in Canva. You're going to click on an Instagram post. And then in here, you're gonna go ahead and upload your picture. So you're gonna upload. So when you have your graphic uploaded in here, you're just gonna drag it over and you're going to drop it in there. So this is the standard graphic. This is what I would normally just put my watermark on here, but because I want to customize this, I'm going to go ahead and use a square box to actually cover up this where it says lavender. Now this is defaulting to my branding, but if you come up here, you can see I have brand colors in here because I use Canva Pro, but you can actually select any brand, or if you have a hex code for your brand color, you can change the brand color in here. So I can change it to this like peachy orange that I always use. And so that way this is all covered up. Now what I'll do is I'll click on the text, and in here you can jump in, and these are my custom fonts, but in here what you can do is you can actually move this up here. So I'm going to change this and just put lavender, and you can make it bigger. Canva is a really fun tool to play around in. It can just be very time consuming. Maybe we put benefits of lavender. So obviously that's the scotch big. So we're going to size this into here. And then we're going to increase our font size where it looks good. So, and then I always put my watermark on all of my graphics. I just like to pop it into the corner. And so now this is customized and fits with my branding on my social media. So you can see how simple it is to just come in, cover up maybe some fonts or graphics or just content that you don't want on a graphic without having to recreate the complete wheel. So this is a little bit more advanced. If this is helpful, go ahead and jump into your OneDrop account and play around with it, grab some content. Always make sure you're watermarking your content from OneDrop. It not only protects your investment, but it also protects our contributors. But this way, your brand can continue to be customized to how you want to show up in the online world.